Welcome to Workday Payroll, Payroll Processing, Complete and Settle Payroll. In this session, we'll review the Run Pay Complete task and the settlement process. To run a Pay Complete, I'll access the Run Pay Complete task. After selecting the pay period and pay group detail, the on-cycle option selection defaults. I'll select the OK to proceed checkbox and the OK button to initiate the Pay Complete process. To verify the Pay Complete processed as expected, I'll access the View Pay Group report for the USA Weekly Pay Group. On the Pay Group tab, I'll locate the Pay Group Period Detail section. Then, I'll locate the last period completed column and review the corresponding run category and date to confirm that the pay period is complete. Next, let's review the settlement process. The settlement process is the last step in the payroll process. It generates the electronic file to create direct deposits, as well as the positive pay file and print check file to produce live payroll checks. Workday Payroll uses the same settlement engine it uses to process all payments generated in Workday. This includes expenses, supplier payments, employee reimbursements, and customer refunds. As a result, you can process all different kinds of payments without needing to set up or maintain multiple payment systems or re-enter duplicate information. You can settle payments individually or process a large number of payments and items in a settlement run. A settlement run is a group of open items treated as one unit during the selection and settlement of payments. A single settlement run can contain any or all unpaid items, like supplier invoices and expense reports, and payments for paychecks and ad hoc suppliers. I'll begin by accessing the Create Settlement Run task. Workday settles financial transactions based on company, so I'll select the company here. Note that the currency will default based on the company configurations. Next, I'll enter the settlement run name. We recommend using a standardized naming convention to help keep your settlements organized. I'll enter the settlement run date, which is generally the payment date. I'll leave the Exclude Negative Payments checkbox selected. Notice that settlement run date defaults as a dynamic supplier payment date. Finally, I'll select OK. I'll select the Process button to start the settlement process. Processing this settlement run turned the completed payroll results into financial transactions. Notice Workday produced checks and direct deposits. In this session, we reviewed how to complete and settle payroll. Thank you for taking the time to learn with Workday.